WSST is at the ribbon cutting for the Phoebe Sumter MRI facility here in Americus, and we're speaking with Marketing Director Marcus Johnson. Hey, Marcus.
Hey, how are you?
Good. This has been a huge day for Sumter County and the citizens in Americus.
Yes, it's been a long time coming. So many people are a part of this. The MRI is going to be a huge advancement for our healthcare services, and we couldn't have got it without all of the support of not only the people in Americus and Sumter County, but the whole state and pretty much the whole world.
Now, tell us a little bit about the MRI facility and how you got this particular machine. Tell us.
Okay, well, a lot of people probably remember the story. A couple of months after the tornado, we heard about an online contest by Siemens, basically where small hospitals can create a video, put it online, and try to garner votes for it, and whoever got the most votes would win this brand new technology. And we felt like this was a godsend for us. We needed anything we could get at that particular time, so we created a video, we put it online, and the response to it was just tremendous. We ended up with the most votes, and Siemens was so compelled by all of our support that they decided to donate us one in 2008. And now, and a couple of years later, that dream has become a reality.
Former First Lady Miss Rosalind Carter, she had a big impact on this, didn't she?
She sure did. Of course, the Carters are Sumter County residents, and the First Lady, she wrote a letter and sent it out, and it happened to be published in a number of publications, including the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. And when you have those type of people backing you, that shows a lot, and that means a lot. And we were very appreciative of not only her, but everybody that voted or asked other people to vote.
Thank you, Marcus. It's a great day for Phoebe Sumter here in Americus.
It is. Thank you. Thank you for your support in WSSTV. We want to thank everybody, and anytime you want to get a tour of it, and we also, of course, we're excited about the new buildings that are coming up, the support buildings and the hospital. So we'll be informing you about that in the days to come.
And WSST will continue to follow you as you rebuild the hospital here. Thank you, Marcus.
Thank you very much.
We're bringing you continuous coverage from the ground. No, wait, we have to start over. It's okay.
Ribbon cutting.
Ribbon cutting.
We weren't groundbreaking though.
That's right. WSST is still on location at the ribbon cutting ceremonies for the new MRI facility here in America. So we're talking with Representative Mike Cheokas. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing great.
This has been a huge day today for everyone here in Sumter County.
It has been. It's been wonderful. The Siemens people have been so generous with donating that machine. The people in the community have come together after that devastating tornado 3 years ago, and it's just wonderful right now. I mean, the emotion is high. It's just really a great day.
Now, people voted. The public voted on which facility got this machine. Tell us, you were telling me a story about that a few minutes ago. Share that with our viewers.
Well, it was interesting. Siemens put on a contest to see which was the most needy of the hospitals. And in the contest, you could vote once a day from one computer. And we did, or should I say, the hospital did a video of the need for the MRI machine, and it went out over the internet. And the momentum started growing. It was amazing. I was at the Capitol during session, and everyone at the Capitol was voting every day. I'd get the thumbs up from representatives, from senators, from the staff, the secretaries. Everybody was voting for the machine in Sumter County.
It's amazing how a disaster, something that's so disastrous, can turn around and make such a positive impact on the community.
It really is. That first day after the tornado, I came down with the governor and I saw the devastation. And I don't mind telling you that tears came to my eyes. It was to see that, and then to see the people here, our local citizens, coming together. I'll give you one example. A good friend of mine, Walton Grant, who's on the city council, has a sporting goods business. And his building is about a block and a half from here. it was completely destroyed in the tornado. That morning when I arrived, he was here with the mayor, the city council, the chief of police, the fire department, sheriff's department, all the emergency management people, thinking about the citizens of this community and not about his personal business.
And I know that we've talked about this before, but it's just a miracle that there were no injuries, there were no deaths because of here at the hospital. But people worked together to make sure that everyone was taken care of.
That truly is a miracle. The Lord was looking down on us. We went into the hospital a few days afterwards, and the thing that I found the most moving was going into the nursery. From what I understand after talking with the administrators, the nurses and the staff got all the patients out of their rooms and into the hallways where it was safe, just moments, literally speaking, like 90 seconds before the tornado hit. I went into the nursery. The room had exploded. Glass was everywhere. Any children that were in there would have died immediately, but they were safe in their mother's arms in the hallway, and that truly was a miracle.
And we've heard that story before, and you know, now we have this beautiful facility here, and in 2011 you're supposed to be finished.
Yes, we've partnered with Phoebe, Putney and Albany, and now the hospital is Phoebe Sumter. We're building a new facility on the southwest side of town. They've got a huge campus, at least 40 acres, and it's going to be wonderful. We're very, very excited.
And the new facility, it is outside of Americus, and so many times people have asked me why you chose that area. Was it location as well?
Well, you know, you've got our major artery, Highway 19, which is being four-laned. And then, of course, going east and west, we have Highway 280. That was a large tract of land that was available, and they needed the space. Right here, we only have 17 acres of land, so it was really difficult for us to rebuild on this location.
Yeah, I think it was a concern for some of the local people that, you know, that possibly if the hospital was outside of town, it wouldn't be the same. But that's not true, is it?
Oh, absolutely not. Everyone's going to be extremely proud when it's completed. The support by the community, from what I understand, Keith, the new administrator here, has told us that the hospital visits are up, the people are supporting the hospital, the medical staff, the doctors and the nurses that had left after the tornado because there was no business are returning, and I've had the opportunity of using the facility in the last few months, and I can tell you the service is superior. None better in the state.
Well, you heard it, none better in the state. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate you being here. A great day. Thank you. I hope I didn't do too bad.